Hello everyone, welcome back to maths class, chapter number 25, the probability, the continued part of exercise 25a. Question number 10. In a single throw of dice, find the probability of getting 5, 8, a number less than 8, and the last sub question is a prime number. As the experiment or an event is a single throw of dice, let us note down all the total number of possible outcomes. As the dice is numbered with 1 to 6, total number of all possible outcomes will be equal to 6. And the probability of an event is equal to number of events favorable to E by total number of all possible outcomes. Let us move on to the sub questions. The first sub question is getting a number 5. Among 1 to 6, 5 is numbered only for one time, hence the probability of getting 5 is 1 by 6. The sub question is the probability of getting 8. The probability of getting 8, the number of favorable outcomes is 0, hence 8 is, why? Because 8 is not possible and the dice is marked only up to number 6. So the probability will be 0 by 6 and its value is equal to 0. And the third sub question is a number less than 8. All the numbers marked on the dice 1 to 6 are less than 8. Hence the favorable outcomes is equal to 6. The probability will be 6 by 6, which is equal to 1. And the fourth sub question is a prime number. Among 1 to 6, which are the prime numbers? 2, 3 and 5. So there are 3 prime numbers. The probability is 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Next it is question number 11. A dice is thrown once. Find the probability of. Similar type of question. As the dice is marked with 6, total number of all possible outcomes is equal to 6 and the formula remains the same. Let us concentrate on the sub question. The first sub question is an even number. Among 1 to 6, which are the even numbers? 2, 4 and 6. Hence the number of favorable outcomes is equal to 3. The probability will be equal to 3 by 6. After simplifying, the value will be equal to 1 by 2. In the similar manner, the second sub question is a number between 3 and 8. A number between 3 and 8 means we need to include 3, start from 3, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Should we have to include 8 children? If the question is a number between 3 and 8, we can write 7, 8, everything. But our restriction is only up to 6. That is the total outcome of the experiment. We have to keep an eye on that. The dice cannot have the numbers 7 and 8. Among 1 to 6, which are the numbers between 3 and 8? 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is, there are 4 numbers. Hence, the probability is 4 by 6, which is equal to 2 by 3. And the third sub question is an even number or multiple of 3. So, there is a choice. It can be an even number or it can be a multiple of 3. Let us cross check once. First number is 1. 1 is neither an even number nor a multiple of 3. So, 1 is ruled out. 2. 2 is an even number. We can consider. Write down 2. The next number is 3. 3 is a multiple of 3. Hence, we can write down 3. Next, it is 4. 4 is an even number. We can write down 4. Next number is 5. 5 is neither an even number nor a multiple of 3. So, 5 is ruled out. And the next number is 6. It is an even number as well as a multiple of 3. Hence, the number of favorable outcomes are 2, 3, 4 and 6, which is equal to 4. The probability will be equal to 4 by 6. Its value is equal to 2 by 3. Question number 12. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? Some values are given here. We know that probability, if no event can be less than 0 or more than 1. The probability of an event lies between greater than 0, less than 1. So, it cannot have more than 1, less than 0. Let us cross check once. The first question is 3 by 5. it is between 0 and 1, hence it is the probability of an event. Then it is 2.7, which is greater than 1, so we are going to say that it is not the probability of an event. And the third sub question is 43%, its value is 43 by 100, it can be equated to 0.43, hence it is between 0 and 1, it is the probability of an event. The fourth sub question is minus 0.6, all the negative values are less than 0, hence it is not the probability of an event. Similarly with question number 5 and question number 6, 0.35, it is between 0 and 1, hence it is the probability of an event. Next is sub question. Question number 13. A bag contains 6 identical black balls. A child withdraws one ball from the bag without looking into it. What is the probability that he takes out? In this, there is a question that a bag contains 6 identical black balls. Hence, the total number of all possible outcomes will be equal to 6 and the formula remains the same. Let us move on to the sub question. The first sub question 1 is a white ball. How can we find a white ball from a bag which contains 6 black balls? Hence the number of favorable outcome is equal to 6 and the probability is 0 by 6, its value is equal to 0. And a black ball. So all are black balls, so I can have the total number of favorable outcomes is also equal to 6. It results as 6 by 6, which is equal to 1. Question number 14. A single letter is selected at random from the word probability. Find the probability that it is an oval. So there is a word called probability. Let us list out the letters of the word probability. They are P, R, O, B, A, I, L, T, Y. I avoid the repetition, children. So here we have 9 letters from the word probability. Now there is no sub question, only one condition. It is said that find the probability that it is a oval. So which are the ovals among these 9 letters? They are A, I and O. So how many letters are there oval? There are 3 letters. Hence the probability is 3 by 9, which is equal to 1 by 3. Question number 15. Ramesh chooses a date at random in January for a party. See the following figure. Kindly observe your textbook, children. It is a calendar with the dates of January month. Now the question is, find the probability that he chooses a Wednesday. Sub question 1. Sub question 2, a Friday. Sub question 3, a Tuesday or a Sunday. So by observing the given calendar, we can note down that total number of possible outcomes is equal to the number of days in the month of January, that is equal to 31. The sub question 1 says find the probability that he chooses a Wednesday. If you observe the given calendar, there are 5 Wednesdays, that is on 1st, 8th, 15th, 22nd, 29th. As there are 5 Wednesdays in the month of January, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 5 and the probability will be 5 by 31. In the similar manner, the second question is Friday. Again note down Friday, children. It is on 3rd, 10th, 17th, 24th and 31st. It is also equal to 5. This problem should be answered by observing the given calendar in the textbook. So probability is 5 by 31. The sub question 3 is a Tuesday or a Saturday. So which are Tuesday? 7, 14, 21, 28. It is 4. Saturdays 4, 11, 18, 25. It is also 4. So 4 Tuesdays and 4 Saturdays. Hence the total possible outcomes is 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. The probability will be equal to 8 by 31. By this we have completed all the problems of exercise 25A. Go through with all the concepts, children, about tossing of a coin, throwing a dice and getting a card from a a deck of card of 52 cards and then drawing the balls from a bag and the probability of a sure event, impossible event, complementary events. We'll continue by next class, exercise 25B. Till then, take care. Thank you, children.